In March 2017, someone decided to hit and run my 1978 Mercury Monarch. This is a video on the Phoenix's resurrection. Hope you enjoy.
Hi there guys, Ralph Angel from the Devil Riders here, and here we have my Devil Rider machine. About a year ago someone decided to hit and run my car and decided just to leave it and leave me with the damage. I didn't have the maybe $1,000 to deal with the damage, so eventually it took me a while to get around to it, and with some help with some friends I decided to fix it up. So a friend of mine has already knocked out the panel, which is pressed right in. He made a pretty good job, considering he didn't charge me anything, of straightening it out, making it look at least half respectable. I've just done some sanding. I'm going to sand down a little bit more. I'm probably doing an overkill. I've never done anything like this before, so it's kind of a little experimental. But yeah, so I'm going to sand the rest of that down, finish that, and then I'm going to start spraying the primer on, and then putting on the coat and that. And I'm looking just to get it. I mean, as you may be able to see, the rest of the car isn't in perfect condition, but I just want to get it so it's not like a complete eyesore. So and I wanted to get a record of it before and after. So I hope you enjoy me fixing it up and making it look nicer again. You better do your homework. Whoops, I forgot to put the camera on when I started doing the primer, but here we go, put some primer on. It's going fine so far. I'm just gently spraying the primer on it just a little bit. You don't want to, well, I understand you don't want to get it all runny, put too much on there, so I'm just doing little bits by little bits. And also rub it down with a cloth if it runs too much, just spray it on again. Cardo boy! Yeah, I'm thinking for a primer coat that's going pretty good. So I'm going to leave that to dry for about 10-15 minutes. Going to California sunshine, don't have to wait so long. Alright, so we've applied the first coat of primer. Now for the second. Okay, we'll let that one dry for a while, and then we'll start putting on the paint. Ooh. So I decided I've got plenty of primer, so I'm going to give it a third coat just to make absolutely sure.
So somehow I managed to lose the video of the first coat of paint, but you get the idea.
Alright, now we're going to do the second coat. Quite pleased with it so far, the way it's come out considering. Here we go. Coming along. Okay, so I'm going to apply what I think is going to be the final coat. It's coming out quite nicely. I'm quite happy with this. So yeah, let's do this. Alright, I think that's going to do. Let's just wait for the paint to dry. And then we're going to put the tail light back in and see how she looks. I'm quite liking that compared to how that was before. I don't know if you can see, but as you get close, if you really look, you can see the lines and the bumps, but you know what, I don't care. I'm quite happy with that. The first time in a while the car is pretty again. Or at least nice enough to look at, so I'm happy with that now. Long live the Monarch. Okay, well, thanks again. Please like, share, comment and subscribe on my videos, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Bye for now. If you miss a lesson, run off into town. to them satanic crowd. We each got a temper, he'll show you how. You better do as you're told, 'cause he's a satanic teacher.